Hey everyone, welcome back. Polymarket sent you a magic link or login code to your email, but it never arrives or goes straight to spam. Here's the two iPhone settings that are almost always blocking it. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. If you see a focus or do not disturb icon that is lit up, tap on it to turn it off completely. Focus mode can silently delay email and notification delivery. After turning focus mode off, and then go to Gmail, Apple Mail, or whichever you use. Then check the spam or junk folder as well because sometimes the messages are filtered over there. Polymarket sends magic login link from an automated email address, and some email apps filter these out automatically. If you find it in spam, mark it as not spam so future ones come through. Now go to Polymarket login screen and then tap the options to resend the link or code. Wait a full 60 seconds before tapping resend again. If you are on Polymarket US app and using email login, also then tap your Wi-Fi or cellular and make sure that it is active. The magic link system requires a live connection to validate the link the moment you tap it. So all you've got to do is go to the control center, turn focus mode off, check spam folder in your email app, resend the code link from Polymarket. Your magic link will arrive and that's it. Subscribe.